To fit the turn buttons, the first job is to make sure the post is upright, level and square. Once you've done that, you can fix the ground, then offer the fabric over the wooden post and trace, sketch around the oval eyelet. Then you need to roll the panel up, out the way. Then take a ruler and sketch a vertical line through the centre, horizontal line through the centre. Then offer the turn button over the lines to make sure you've hit the centres and sketch the hole positions. Once you've done that, you can drill the 2 pilot holes. Hit the centre. Check it's done up right. Then you need to change the drill to the screwdriver attachment. Drop the panel to make sure everything lines up. Yeah, and that looks pretty good to me. Fit the turn buttons in this post complete. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 turn buttons in each post. Then lock each turn button off before you move over and to the other leg. You need to set the correct tension in the panel, so you need to pull it so you create a bit of tension so it's taut, but not super taut, but you don't want to leave it too baggy. You kind of want to find a happy medium. Then you can mark and position the turn buttons and insert. There it is. I'll just show you how it works quickly. So if I undo the turn buttons, very quick to undo. Then simply roll it up. The bottom bar supports the fabric, no creases, very easy to roll up, neat and tidy. Straps are very easy to use. Velcro simply secures it in position. Looks quite neat and tidy. Yeah, very easy to do.